going on, guys? We got an unboxing here today. We got the Air Forces 1 React, size 10.5. Check out the box. Nike Air Force 1. Simple box. Let's get straight into it. Right here, let's take out the shoes. And just fancy. Right here, Air Force 1. Check out the shoes right here. Here we got the Air Forces. Got that neon green right here. I haven't checked them out at nighttime. I wonder if these glow in the dark or not. Also right here we got Nike React Air. Got this nice neon green right here. Show you one shoe at a time. So yeah, on the tongue we got Nike Air Force 1. On the inside we got some nice padding, pretty good padding inside here. Check it out, pretty clean. You know, got the switch going on right here, pretty nice. Just dope right here. Right here we got some letterings right here. I'm not too sure, I don't know much about this shoe. You know, I just purchased it just because the way it looked. It's pretty nice. Look at this, all solid, clean. Check out the inside again. You got some nice padding here. Here I still got the insole material that goes inside there. Up here we just got name, the swoosh, name, the stripe are trademarks, and you're guaranteed of quality swoosh, and along with other stuff. But yeah, guys, this is the unboxing. I mean, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, let me know. Like I said, these shoes are pretty nice. I decided to get them because I like the way the color is. You know, it's pretty dope. This is like a purplish pinkish color right here. I mean, hey, pretty dope. If you're thinking about getting these, I purchased these in Foot Locker. I'm not too sure for how much. I don't remember how much, but the real retail price was $120 on them. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked. Like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. And see you.